So what do we got today? Working on the bed, the truck bed that's all bent out of shape like a tree fell on it, etc., etc. Trying to get that straightened out and at least mocking up the tailgate, getting it so it looks like a truck, and stopping up more leaks. Trying to get rid of all the leaky exhaust fumes coming in because if the weather's going to be colder, I got to have the windows rolled up and all the vents closed and everything. So I think we're there. I think I can drive it without dying. So enjoy. A little, starting to work on the bed a little bit, trying to get that bend out of there. I'm sure from some tree falling on it. So putting some pressure from the bottom and then whacking it from the top and the inside. It's starting to get that out of there. So, hey, it's better than it was. The one axis relatively straight on both sides. I've been working on both sides. However, still got kind of a bow out there. Gonna work on that. I'm gonna start working on where the tailgate goes. I do have a tailgate, so beating it into submission. See if we can get it to fit. I was told mistakenly that all these old Dodge tailgates are the same. Apparently not. The bottom three mounts are correct. However, up here is the problem. These don't match up. So what I'm doing is swapping side for side these things, and have to move them down a little bit, and I'm going to have to notch up here. Fill up the old holes, grind it down, and we'll put some new holes in there. Okay, so got these together. This is really G-whoppered there. It's hard to see, but it's got a huge bend on it. I've got some repair work to do here and there. And I'm noticing here, this probably should go over 1/4 of an inch. And this could have gone over that way 1/4 of an inch, but that can be fixed later. But for now, I'm gonna get me some real chains for this, and it'll look kind of like a tailgate. Tailgate I'm gonna be done with for a while. I've been working on straightening the sides and everything. Got pretty close. This still has to go over a little bit because this middle mount doesn't quite match up. My pursuit of leaky exhaust, and it looks like my repairs are good. I don't see any problems, just a slight cracking there, but no exhaust gases escaping. It looks like, and I checked here where we had repaired inside there, and looks good. It looks like the only exhaust leaks are going to be around the gasket areas. So I'm going to use this kind of stuff, glob the heck out of it, and cross my fingers, and hopefully there's no more exhaust leaks. Well, I think I've finally gotten rid of my exhaust leak. At least the fumes coming from the paint and the Permatex burning off, but not much.
So I learned the basics, and then I taught everything else myself.